Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. So according to the latest news, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will get a camera with a record high resolution of 200 megapixels. At the same time, the device will use the third generation of a 200 megapixel module. Despite the fact that the announcement of the fresh flagship line of the Samsung Galaxy S23 is scheduled only for the beginning of the next year, interesting details about the devices have already begun to emerge on the network. For example, industry report claim that the Korean company has successfully completed the development of its latest 200 megapixel ISO-cell HP3 image sensor, and one of the first smartphones to receive it should be the Galaxy S23. This fall, Apple will introduce a family of iPhone 14 smartphones with upgraded cameras, which are expected to push Samsung Electronics to respond. That's why Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera is the answer to iPhone 14 Pro new 48 megapixel camera sensor. Samsung Electronics and Samsung Electromechanics are already in the final stage of finalizing the 200 megapixel camera module. Since the Galaxy S20 Ultra, Samsung has used 108 megapixel image sensor for three following generations of the flagship smartphone. This situation is expected to change with the release of the Galaxy S23 Ultra next year. According to various insiders, Samsung Electronics and Samsung Electromechanics are already in the final stage of finalizing the 200 megapixel camera module. The new camera will be a response to the final launch of the iPhone 14 Pro due out this fall. Its main camera will undergo the first major change in 7 years, dropping a 12 megapixel sensor in favor of a 48 megapixel sensor. Samsung previously introduced its first 200 megapixel ISO-cell HP1 image sensor with 0.64 micron pixel that support chameleon cell pixel fusion technology and can record 8K video at 30 fps and 4K video at 120 fps. In addition, the second generation of 200 megapixel HP3 CMOS sensor is said to be in development. Companies like Motorola, Vivo and Xiaomi, who are working on mobile devices with it, have shown interest in a sensor with a record resolution. Recall that traditionally, the release of the new Galaxy S smartphone takes place in February to March. It is unlikely that the new Galaxy S23 line will be an exception to this rule. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video.